everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a frills that you can use to attach on your blouse. Frills is a design that can be used to attach to a sleeve, a wrap skirt, wrap dress, and also a blouse, so you can place it wherever you want. Today we are going to learn about it, so I want you to sit back and watch how to make it. I want to appreciate all my subscribers. I really appreciate you for all your love and your support. And for those that have viewed my channel for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. If you want to design a frills, you have to consider the length and the width of the fabric. The more fabric you use, the fuller your frills will be. So if you want to use it on a dress, you have to know how much fabric you have to use. And if you want to put it on a wrap skirt, you know it's going to require a lot of fabric. Also, if you want to use it on a wrap dress, you have to consider the length of the fabric you are going to use as well. So this is a piece of fabric that I'm going to use as an example for you to see how to design a frills. It is very simple to make. So here is a fabric. Now if you want to make it, you have to fold the edge of the fabric. So I will be folding my fabric 1 inch here. This is it here, 1 inch. I'm still going to tack it down. Then I'll do the same on the other side, 1 inch. Here's 1 inch as well. So I'm still going to sew it, but I will first of all pin it down. So this is 1 inch. So I'm going to pin it down now. So I will do the same to the other side. The next step is to start making your frills. So this is what we are going to do now. I'm going to hold it here. Then you hold it here as well. Then you flip it over this way. You flip it over that way. Then you hold it here as well. I hope you can see it. Then you flip it over as well. Flip it like this way. Do the third one. You flip it this way. Then you do the fourth one. You are still going to sew it down. So you flip it this way as well. So you can place big object on it. I believe you are seeing it. Then you come back here again and fold it. This is it. Now that is it. Make sure you place an object so that it won't remove. So you hold it again and flip it. You go again. So you are going to do the same thing till you reach the end of the fabric. So this is it now. So this is how to make a frills. So you can decide to sew it from the top here. We are going to sew it together now. Now I'm placing the frills under the machine now to sew it. You can sew it at the edge here, or you can sew it in the middle. So I'm starting my sewing in the middle. Now I'm sewing it. I have to hold it underneath so that it won't shift. So I'll finish sewing it. Here is the frills. The frills is ready. It's very, very easy to make. So you can make it within 2-3 minutes. Within 2 to 3 minutes, you can make it. So here is our frills. You can see how beautiful it is. You can decide to attach it to your top as a design this way. And if you want to sew, you can decide to sew the top here, but I decide to sew the middle. I decide to sew it in the middle. See how beautiful it is. You can see it is very simple to make. So if you are viewing my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell for you to be notified each day I upload a new video. You can attach the frills to your sleeve like I told you earlier on. So you can see my sleeve. This is the edge of my sleeve. All you have to do is to attach it here this way. Then you will hem the edge here. You hem it, or you can as well put it under here and hem it at the edge of your sleeve. Then you hem the button as well. Then you sew it round this way. After hemming it, you hem it this way, probably by 0.5 inch or 1.5 inch or 1 inch. So you sew the side. This is how it's going to look. This is it. This is the look of it. You can see it. You can see it. Can you see it? It looks beautiful. I urge you to try and make yours and let me know in the comments. And if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and also like and share my video. Thank you once again. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.